Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue color saree with same color pallu, beautiful blouse piece completely in royal blue. The beautiful works in the pallu, zari lines and block lines. And the saree have floral pattern printed in both sides, upper and lower bottom, very elegantly. Pink and yellow used for the printing, and we also have a gold zari border which is very pretty. Excellent collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful color, almost half white with mild greenish tinge, which gives a beautiful Tassa color. Elegant pallu in blouse piece, same color. Pallu have zari lines as well as block printed vertical line. And here we have a very beautiful saree. Complete saree is in same color, the pallu color. Only the dark blue is used here for the block prints. Semi-circle pattern and border design. Very beautifully printed, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark brown color, almost blackish brown it is, with zari lines and zari border in same color. Purple color it is, not brown, purple, dark purple color, blouse and pallu. The saree is in half white, a creamy half white color with dark blue color prints, and we also have a border design done in pink color. Very different saree, an exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu, zari lines, and the yellow is also there in the pallu with plain blouse piece, plain black with one side yellow borders. The saree is in cream color. The borders are Ganga Jamuna pattern. Top is black and the lower half is in yellow. Temple border is also given in black. Very elegant one. Black, white and yellow combination saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with red color pallu, and we have very beautiful zari lines and block print design in the pallu with same red blouse piece, a very attractive hot chilli red, elegant color. The prints are also very beautiful here. A rose pattern, closely printed using half white color. Simple yet very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful black saree here with pallu, a mild dark blue mixed black color pallu with zari lines and zari border. And same pallu color blouse piece. The shade of black is little different in pallu on the body color, almost an elephant black in the body. Beautiful one with the prints completely done using half white. Multiple leaf designs, different designs are printed on the saree. Very elegant one with the zari borders in both sides. It comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a red pallu. It's a very different red, almost a pale red it is, beautiful color. Zari lines and zari block printed design, and we have plain blouse piece with one side purple color border. The complete saree is in dark purple with white prints, evenly printed, beautiful design, palm leaf design with the borders in the pallu color. Very contrast and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. A rare color in Tassa, grab yours. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful multi-color pallu. Vertically we have multiple colors with zari lines also, and we have a rust color, rusty orange color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is in cream color, half white, creamy half white. Different design printed in the body, multiple colors. We also have borders in green base color on both sides. Zari borders on the pallu color, the blouse color. rusty orange, and we also have black prints in the lower bottom. Very elegant, classy looking saree with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with zari lines and zari border. Antique kind zari is used here for the black finish. Same black blouse piece, pallu color. Contrast one for the body. The body is in dull finish half white with a green tinge, green and brown mixed color tinge. We also have a beautiful concept, half and half. The top half is with just mango printing with multiple colors. And the lower half is with multiple colors, checked pattern. Different one, closely printed one. Very elegantly done with black zari borders in both sides. Very elegant one with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, blue and green vertically done along with zari lines, and we have light blue color blouse piece with one side green borders. The complete saree is in green here. Very elegant leaf green color. Very elegant one. With both sides we have a half white portion and on it a completely floral design printed. A very attractive magenta and green colors are used for printing. And the borders are in blue base. Excellent combo. Beautiful saree with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled tussar fabric. We have beautiful green, almost in bottle green shade, pallu with zari lines and same color blouse piece with one side purple borders. The saree is in contrast color, half white in the middle with prints in magenta color and royal blue. On top half we have a purple color. On lower half we have little darker shade purple. It's violet and purple, two different shades. Very elegantly it's been done, and the borders are in pallu color green. Beautiful colorful saree, very different concept with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, zari lines and block prints in the pallu. Same pallu and saree color are same here. Even the blouse piece is same. Completely a dark navy blue color, blackish blue it is. But it is blue. You can see beautiful design, the diamond pattern printed in it. A checked one too. Half white is used for printing, half white and black. Very elegant one. The border design is also printed with beautiful zari borders in both sides. Very elegant and rare color in tussar with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark indigo blue color pallu with zari lines and same blue blouse piece. Completely a dark color. Contrast is also a dark color here. Body color is dark choco brown. Beautiful color. You can see the borders in the deep blue color, and the lower part of the saree we have the prints that is done using white and yellow. Very beautiful floral design with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful orange color pallu with beautiful block prints and zari lines. Same orange blouse piece. It's a kind of kavi orange. The saree is in mango yellow shade, goldish yellow it is, with the prints in purple color in the body. And we also have the same kind of prints in the borders also, which is done in purple and the orange color, pallu color. The borders are also on the pallu base color with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon and black pallu with prints in white, very elegant one with zari lines also. And we have same black color, check black blouse piece with one side rama green borders. The saree is in beautiful rama green and red combo. Excellent color, dark shade rama. You can see the red base in the both sides of the saree, very elegant one with the prints in multiple designs. You can see birds as well as geometric pattern. Very elegant one with the black borders in both sides. Very elegant, beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari border. A very beautiful boiled acid wash Tassa fabric. Red pallu here. Contrast one for the body with zari lines and zari border. Vertically zari lines are given with same color blouse piece. Plain one. Gold zari borders in the blouse also. And the saree is in half white color. Saree is half white. Both side upper border as well as the lower border we have the forest pattern printed, lady and deer pattern. Now it is done using black color. We also have the butta designs done using the red base. Borders are also done on red base color. Elegant saree, classy looking one with authentic sequin. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same in jet black color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body have very beautiful design. Half white base with brush painted design in the saree. You can see a arch design, very elegantly brush painted using yellow, blue and black. And we also have a beautiful printing design in the black also. The lower part is completely printed using a floral design very elegantly closely with red part. Beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon pallu with white block prints, beautiful floral pattern along with zari lines. And we have maroon blouse piece itself with one side royal blue color borders. The saree completely is in maroon and blue combo. Royal blue color, light royal blue. Both sides we have the maroon borders with beautiful floral printing all over using white color. Elegant one. Combination is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a maroon shade with zari lines and block prints, and we have same maroon blouse piece. The saree is a very different one. You can see only the top half we have maroon, except that fully it is half white color on it. Black is used for printing. Very different block prints used here. Very elegant one, very different one too. All over the saree is printed in the same way with the borders along in maroon shade. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dark red color saree, completely in the same color. The pallu also with block prints and zari lines. Same color blouse piece. Running color, but a very attractive color it is. Dark red, beautiful one with zari borders and antique finish border. And we also have printed one in the lower half alone. Almost a half and half pattern. The lower half is completely printed using the half white color. Elegant and excellent color, attractive color saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple and violet base color saree, very excellent one, different color with dark burgundy choco brown color and pink mixed color. It is very different color blouse piece. Saree is in purple and blue mix light color with the prints in dark blue and burgundy, and we also have a lower border that is in burgundy base color. Very elegant one, multiple prints used for it. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with zari lines. Same maroon color blouse piece, pallu color one and contrast one for the body. Very elegant saree, different printed almost like batik. Beautiful half white color and on it red is used for the batik kind printing, and we have very darkly printed grey color rose design print all over the saree. The borders are in half white base itself with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. We have a multicolor pallu, very elegant one, vertically zari lines and colors are given with royal blue color blouse piece. One side we have green in the blouse piece. Saree is in half white, dull finish half white it is. The top portion is plain half white color with the crane prints, and the lower part is a fully printed one on white base. It is a half saree model saree. The top and bottom we have two different designs. Very elegant design, exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree in Prussian blue color, same color pallu with block prints and zari lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The complete saree is in single color with the lower half alone. The half white color is given, and then we have a beautiful girl with deep forest pattern printed using black color. Excellent color, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful peach color, a peachy pink color pallu and blouse piece. Plain blouse piece it is. And we have a pallu that is a block printed one, as well as zari lines is given vertically. The saree is completely in the peachy pink color in between, and prints are given in the both side borders. One at a row in the top and two at a row in the bottom. Very different design it is, fish and multiple geometric pattern. And we also have gold zari borders in both sides of the saree. Excellent rare color with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have beautiful dark Prussian blue color, almost between Prussian and navy blue color pallu and blouse piece, and we have zari lines in the pallu. The saree is in grey, almost an ash grey color. The prints are completely done using pink color, mango design and polka dots. The borders are in pallu color base. Beautiful saree, excellent shade with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu, zari lines, same green blouse piece. The saree is in half white color, creamy half white with yellow vertical painting design, almost a cream color, and the Vanasingaram concept is done in this saree. Magenta pink and green is used for the birds and the floral pattern, closely printed beautiful design, and we have a green borders in the zari border base. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful pallu here, pink one with zari lines, vertical zari lines and zari border. The same pink blouse piece, very contrast one for the body color. And the saree is beautiful shade yellow, a bright yellow, very elegant one, and it is very contrast borders given in both sides, the pink color with the floral prints in half white. Bigger border in the lower part. Very elegant, attractive color, eye-catching with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark green color pallu, almost a bottle green shade with zari lines, and same color blouse piece. Excellent color, very contrast saree. The pallu and blouse piece are very contrast to the body color. The body color is a light pale green, beautiful one with the prints in half white alone. Zari borders adds beauty to the saree. The complete saree is in green shade, two different shades of green is given as a contrast here with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with multi-colors. You can see blue, green and red shades with block prints and zari lines, and we have the blue, copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side the brick red color borders. The saree is a very different color, a pastel shade, mild green tinge, so olive green tinge with the prints in very different dark green and red. Two different kind of printing, the leaf pattern as well as a very different pattern in the top. Again, a blue portion is given in the lower half. Multiple designs printed in the saree. Very different, rare collection, rare color combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with yellow and black prints, and we also have zari lines with the same grey blouse piece, and one side we have a pink border for the blouse piece. The saree is in beautiful pink shade, excellent printing on it. On both sides we have the grey base color with border design also printed. Yellow is used for the printing, so it is very contrast and very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black and brown mixed color saree, brown base and block prints on it. We have black blouse piece also, completely black with the print completely done on base dark brown. You see very different concept. Fully black in the top with antique finish borders in both sides. And this portion we have the base in dark brown color. Very different one with zigzag lines and multiple designs printed using half white. Very elegant black majestic saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree completely in magenta pink, a darker shade, almost a violetish pink it is, and you can see the beautiful color used for the block prints, half white with zari lines vertically done. Plain blouse piece in same color. It's a running color concept, little darker shade, almost a burgundy shade it is. Very elegant one. You can see the prints completely mango pattern and border pattern. Everything done using half white color. Very elegant, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful and contrast saree, a magenta pink pallu, beautiful color, dark shade, same color blouse piece with one side blue borders. Pallu have beautiful jari lines as well, vertically it's been done. And the saree is in very pretty royal blue shade, very elegant one with the borders in pink, and we have prints only in the lower half of the saree. Elegantly yellow and white is used for the printing. Beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with the tribal design printed in the pallu. Same dark red color, almost a maroonish red it is, blouse piece. The saree is also having a beautiful batik concept printed all over. Tribals vertically printed on red base. Saree actually is in half white base color. You can see the greyish green color prints, batik prints. And we also have zigzag lines in both sides of the saree done using yellow and red. Elegant one, very different one too with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu with block print design and zari lines and a very different dark purple color blouse piece with one side royal blue color borders. The saree is in a very pretty shade, half saree model as well. The top portion is completely in turquoise blue with batik printing and purple prints all over. The zari borders are in royal blue shade, and the lower half is completely green. In the top, plain green, and the lower half is printed. Half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue, it's almost a ananda blue color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Simple pretty one, and we have a very contrast dark magenta color, magenta pink blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is in very different color choices. The top portion is completely half white with blue prints, and the lower border a big blue border, and the lower border type is printed using the floral, the Vana Singaram concept, and we have magenta pink and green colors. Very different prints in the top and lower portion. A half saree model saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue saree, almost a royal blue color. With same color pallu, zari lines and vertical block printed design. With same color blouse piece. On one side we have the block printed border design. The border design continues in the saree as well. Beautiful design mango printed here and there in the saree. Elegantly multiple colors used for it. Different concept, beautiful color, ever lovable blue with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block prints in half white and blue, pink, and we also have zari lines. And the grey is given for the blouse piece also. The pallu color, the body color is a very different one. New design here, almost a rama green in the middle portion, that is a plain portion, and after that we have the half white portion with pink prints. Very elegant one, the forest tribal pattern, as well as we have geometric design, leaf, and many designs are given in one single saree with the grey borders in both sides. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and blue pallu, very beautiful zari lines and zari border on the pallu with the blue. It's a beautiful blue shade. Blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in half white tinge and it have a mild green and blue mixed tinge also. It's not completely half white, with mild blue tinge it is. The complete printing is done using the dark blue. It is a different beautiful blue with the borders also in the blue color. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu, grey, red as well as black is there in the pallu, vertically with zari lines, and same maroon color blouse piece. One side we have black borders. The saree is in very different light color, half white with yellow tinge, and the complete saree have batik printing also done using dark pink color, and we have a beautiful different design printed in the saree using black and pink. You can see the lower bottom we have maroon base as well. Excellent saree, multiple designs with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green saree with green pallu, leaf green, beautiful color with zari lines vertically, and same color blouse piece with one side light green color borders. The saree is in light green base color, beautiful one, almost apple green with dark green prints all over, and we also have a butta design printed in peachy pink color. The borders are in pallu color green. Complete saree is in green base, light and dark finish with excellent combination when it comes to authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful multicolor pallu with zari lines. Vertically the colors are given with almost a brick red color blouse piece. One side dark burgundy colors given for the borders. Very elegant multicolor, beautiful saree. The main color of the saree is blue, almost a navy blue color in the middle. Beautiful droplets design done in half white, and we have two color borders, the orange and brick red. The zari borders are done on the dark burgundy color. Very beautiful one, multicolor. Excellent concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Beautiful yellow saree here, the most demanded one. Pallu is also in yellow with the floral design printed, as well as we have the zari lines in the pallu, and plain blouse piece. A very beautiful attractive yellow. Excellent color, not very bright, so it gives a beautiful look to the saree with the prints completely in white. Mango design printed in both side borders along with the border design printed. Elegant one with zari border. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful copper sulphate blue pallu with zari lines and beautiful block prints in black and white, and we have same copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side orange borders. The orange is a rusty orange here, a brown mixed orange color. Beautiful one, rustic color almost, with the black and white prints in both top and bottom. One in a row in the top and two in a row in the bottom. The blocks are done like that, with the copper sulphate blue zari border base in both sides. Very elegant combination saree, different one, new design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu with block prints in the fish pattern, printed using half white, and on it the royal blue is used here. And we have same green, a light green color, parrot green at most, with one side pink borders. The saree is in beautiful pink between plain portion, and the top and bottom we have the printing design, fish pattern as well as a leaf pattern horizontally printed, and we also have the beautiful hand fan design, very elegant one, and the borders are in a pretty green, ultimate contrast nature saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. So we have a beautiful dark green, a bottle green color pallu with zari lines, same color blouse piece, plain one with zari borders, contrast one for the body. The body is in very light green color, an excellent color it is, light pale light green. It's very beautiful and shuttle color with prints in half white, very different design printed, closely printed design with zari borders in both sides. Completely green shade saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful lavenderish pink color saree, almost lavender pink shade with same color blouse piece, one side block printed blouse piece it is, zari lines as we did to the pallu. Complete saree is in single color, and it's a very pretty lavender and pink mixed color. Beautiful one. The complete prints are in contrast, yellow and pink shades, and we also have white prints all over. Very different color, rare collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with zari lines vertically, same red blouse piece with one side, border design also printed. The most demanded saree, restocked for customers' choice, and the half white saree it is almost a Tussar color with multiple palm leaf design printed, multiple colors used here, you can see, with the red borders in both sides. Very elegant saree, classy looking one with multiple colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a brownish maroon shade pallu with fish motifs in one side and zari lines in the main pallu, and the same color is given for the blouse piece as well, almost maroonish red it is. The saree is in black, with both sides we have the prints in half white, beautiful fish pattern printed on both sides very elegantly using the shades of red and orange, and the borders are in pallu color. Temple borders also given with authentic silk mark.